What's up, YouTube? I know this is a weird start to my video, but I just got off work, man. I'm about to head out, but I have been looking at some scats, and there's one scat that's not too far away from here that I want to look at again. Well, I already looked at it, but it's a Daytona scat pack in an F8 green, man. It's 1032, so I'm gonna be able to just check it out without being bothered. Why I say it like that? So I'm gonna be able to check it out without being bothered. So let's go and get up out of here. I should make some noise, but I guess I'll hit y'all back when I'm there. I guess, I don't know, because I can't just be holding my phone and driving. I mean, I can, but it's whatever. But yeah, let's go. Man, fuck that. Might as well just talk to y'all a little bit. So I ain't gonna lie, I really want a scat pack, and it's a Daytona, so that's pretty hard. But the F8 green, man, I mean, the F8 green hard, don't get me wrong, but I just feel like the smoke show color that I got, man, that shit's a little bit harder. I ain't gonna lie. And I just feel like I can do more with that color than the F8 green. I mean, the F8 green already has the decals on it with the 392 and the Daytona badge in the back and all that. But man, I just feel like with the smoke show, I can put stripes on it. I can do black, I can do carbon fiber, forest carbon fiber, teal, something with red in it. You know what I'm saying? I can do like I have different options, you know what I'm saying? But you know, the RT is hard, but I mean, that's a 392. And they want like, what, about 48 bands for it. Of course, I'm gonna try to talk them down on it, but we gonna see, man. If they can give me a good deal on it and they can pay off this car, man, I might go for it. My friend, yeah, that's my friend right there. She probably think I'm following her. Let's see. I'm gonna make some noise. Watch. She used to me doing that shit, but yes, sir. I don't know if y'all can hear this shit, but look, if my shit burbling, bro, hold on. Man, I don't know if y'all hear it. I did it too many times, man. This shit ain't burbling no more, but oh my God, I tried to slide it out here. My dumb ass left traction control on. But it was whatever. Let me put up the window, probably hear wind noise. But man, my shit was burbling. Okay, see, look, bro, I mean, it's not that fast, but for an RT, this shit sound decent as hell. Oh, there goes my old car. I missed the Honda. Even though that shit was slow as hell, bro, I made that shit look good. I mean, at first I was like all ricey and shit, but I made that shit look good. That motherfucker, I don't know why I just pointed the camera at him, nigga. I don't even know. I don't know what to talk about, nigga. I'm just talking. But man, I did so much to that Honda, bro. Oh, we spinning in it, bitch. We spinning in this bitch. We spinning in this bitch. But yeah, so the dealership ain't that far away from me. So we gonna see what we see, you know what I'm saying? I might, in the next couple of clips, record with the front-facing camera because, okay, nigga, did I go the wrong way? Is it on New York? Oh yeah, it's this way. I'm tweaking, bro. So the scat pack is at a Bill Jacobs Mini Cooper, and according, like, okay, so you know, y'all saw that Cadillac, that white Cadillac that was like speeding past. So she's told me that the scat pack was there for like a month, maybe more. So maybe they eager to sell it, maybe they not. I don't know, but I'm gonna try to see. Oh, dang, my camera just cut out on me, man. I ain't got no space for videos on my phone. But like I said, we gonna see if it do what it do. I don't know what that means, but shit, I don't know, y'all. I'm tired, got out of work, so don't judge me or judge me. I don't really care. But I'll pick up the camera back when we. Oh my, see, I can't talk, nigga. Why is it every time I fucking start recording, I can't talk? But I'm gonna pick the camera back up once we get there. All right, y'all, where is it at? They still got, yep, there it goes. It goes this F8 Charger. Can I do? Okay, I'm gonna finesse my way in here, y'all. Shh. Y'all didn't see that. This is not. This is an alleged illegal turn, but let's see. Oh, they got the. No, I thought that was a TRX. No, they got the Ram up in here. Nice. Then they got this big ass van. They got a nice little Beamer right there, but we came to see what we came to see, my nigga. Yes, sir. Put that thing in park. Go ahead, put that window up. Turn it off real quick. Let's go see it. So I made it to the dealership. I'm using my front facing camera, man. I ain't got no more minutes left on this phone. It's about to be a short ass video, but you got the big ass Raptor up in here, yo. That shit looking nice. All right, y'all. Here it is. The green kind of hitting though. I ain't gonna cap. I mean, maybe it's because it was raining. This shit look type decent though. Got the satin black roof. Got the sunroof. Got the nice wheels on it. Oh, I fucks with those wheels. Got the Hemi badge. The Hemi decal on it. Tinted out windows. The windshield's already tinted out. I don't know what percentage it is, but I got the Daytona badge. It got the satin black wing on it. Satin black Hellcat wing. Yeah, I'm messing with it. The back is pretty high, but the front looks pretty low. Look at that. It's nice and tilt. You got some Continentals on there. 392 badge. You got a front plate on there? Nope. That's nice. Cause I don't like that. I don't like that, man. I didn't have the front plate put on my car, man. Dang, man. This shit hard. Man, what y'all think? Should I try to go for this? I'm gonna try to go for this tomorrow though. I don't know if I'm gonna put this into the next video because I ain't got no more space on my phone. My phone ran out of space. I ain't got my camera on me. I forgot to bring my camera. But yeah. What y'all think, man? F8 green Daytona. Shit's hard to me. Alright, y'all. That was a Scat. I ain't gonna lie. I wonder if somebody's in there. Somebody might be in there, bruh. They're probably looking like, what the hell is this Negro doing here? But hey, that's got pretty hard. Let me take a drink of it. Yo, this shit hit, bro. What? Damn it. This shit hit, bro. The pineapple orange mango. Oh Lord, the lights done went out. The pineapple orange mango kickstart Mountain Dew. This shit hard as fuck, bro. I'm gonna take him a little. Ugh, that shit hard. But I don't know. I might make this his own video, but I might mix it up with the next video. Or we gonna see. Cause tomorrow I'm gonna come up here and see if I can, haggle that price. They want like $48,700 for that shit. I'm gonna tell they ass 45. My shit. If I can get it, that's cool as fuck. If I can't, shit, I still got this nice little thing. But I guess we'll find out later, and I'll see y'all tomorrow, maybe. Maybe this is on video. I don't know. We gonna see. All right, y'all. I switched to the GoPro. Right now, I'm on my way to drop my daughter off, and I'm gonna be bringing my brother along, let him get out the house. And we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get this Scat Daytona, bro. Like, if I'm able to get a good deal on it, and they pay off the RT, then of course I'm gonna actually try to go for it. Maybe put money down, maybe not. We're just gonna see how it all plays out, man. Because either way, I'm still winning. Some people can't even afford the RT, and my RT, I've been told that it sounds nice, it looks nice. Like, I'm not big-headed at all. Even if I had, speaking of that was a damn Lambo. Oh shit. Yeah, I got distracted by Lambo, but it was crazy because I was just about to say, even if I had a Lamborghini or McLaren, stuff like that, I still wouldn't be big-headed, bro. It doesn't matter what I got. That's just not me, bro. And so it's like, if I get the Scat Pack, the Daytona Scat, then it's like, cool, then I upgrade it. And if I don't, then it wasn't my time to upgrade yet. God said it wasn't my time yet, so if I end up keeping the RT, hey, I still got a nice car, man. But we're on our way to go pick up my brother real quick, and I'll pick it up when we get them. All right, y'all. We back in traffic. Picked up my brother Jalen. He got a bald head. That nigga got a bald head. wait, do it again. This nigga said, yeah, he rubbing the bees. But, bro, we stuck in this traffic. It says that there was an accident. So, bro, there wasn't even an exit to get off at. So we just gotta tough it out and go through this traffic. Whatever. But we on the way to the dealership. We gonna see what it do. I keep saying that now. I don't know why. I'm ugly. But we gonna see what they talking about, and I don't know. That car has been on the lot for 4 months, so maybe they were willing to work out a deal, but it is what it is, man. I still love the RT, but damn, this nigga hit that shit, bro. Hold on, we gonna see, bro. That shit crazy. Damn, bro. Buddy down bad, bro. At least he's okay though. That's the thing that matters. At least old dude's okay, but y'all be careful, man. All right, y'all. We made it to the dealership. We're gonna take a little gander at the RT and see what they talking about, I guess. Cause maybe somebody come out, bro. They dry as hell. Is there anybody even here, bro? They just got all these cars lined up. That's it, bro. I don't know. But we gonna see. Let's go. All right, y'all. Here we go. Y'all get to see it in the daytime. Daytona. Hopefully, it's like all stock and everything. Looks nice. The windows a little too light for me. Okay, not too bad. It's all dirty. Nice low to it. Yeah, man. Let's see if we can get an appraisal on this. On my car. See what's up. All right, y'all. So we left the dealership. We was there for like what? Barely 5 minutes, man. So, and then you know, we hungry as hell, so we at Wendy's right now. But we was trying. Let me make sure. I was trying to get my car appraised, and tell me why this chick was just like, you know, she was asking we need help. I was like, yeah, you know, I was trying to get my car appraised, and then she was like, oh, was there any cars you were looking at? And I told her, you know, the Scat Pack out front, the Charger out front, and then you know she told me what it was. I'm like, nigga, I just said, and the price, and she was like, well, we can't really appraise your car like that, just appraise it, which makes no sense, Jalen, because at my dealership where I got this car from, they were gonna buy it back too. All I did was get it appraised. I said I was looking at Scat Packs. I didn't say which one, and they appraised the car, you know what I'm saying? They told me how much and they was gonna pay it off. I don't know, this dealership made no sense. That's why, see, look, they was dry as hell on a Saturday. Didn't know what, like, there was nobody, bro. There was probably like 2-3 people in there, bro. She didn't know what she talking about. Like, y'all being weird as hell. And then the Scat Pack had scratches on it. I didn't even see that because I was looking at it at night. Almost like 3 of the wheels was curb rash. I'm like, you know what? Never mind. Not saying that my car don't have scratches. I had a little oopsie. I don't know where it came from, but you know, it had a little scratch on it. But I don't know, man. So, and that was the only Scat Pack I was gonna look at. I don't know. That was just weird. Like, she basically told me I have to be buying a car for them to appraise it. Well, when you in the market to buy a car, it's not just, okay, I'm buying this car at one, goes to one dealership, and then, really?
It's just out of nowhere.
It's raining hard again, nigga. I'm next in line. But, like, I don't have to buy a car for y'all to appraise my car. Y'all some goofies. Hold on, y'all. I'll be back. We about to order. All right, y'all. It's the next day. I'm back home. After I ordered the food, I just wanted to go home. Not go home, but go back to my family's place, eat, and, you know, just kick it with my family and all that. But, come on, man. Bill Jacobs, Naperville. Bill Jacobs, Mini Cooper in Naperville, man. Y'all need to do better. Like, y'all was dry as hell, first of all. Like, y'all wasn't trying to get a sales the last day of April, man. Like, come on, man. See, look, they just lost a potential customer, man. I was actually interested in that Scat Pack, but according to her, I had to be actually buying something for them to appraise my car. What sense does that make? But y'all, we gonna keep the RT for now, I guess. Hey, I ain't complaining about it. I still love the RT. It's still a dope color. I always get looks, get compliments. So, I ain't complaining about it. But y'all can see the new mod that's coming in, you know what I'm saying? Pieces for my front splitter. That's gonna be the next video, and I'm gonna actually get to doing that today, hopefully, because it's kind of rainy outside. But once again, like usual, make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. If you don't want to, I guess I can't force y'all to do anything, but it'd be very much appreciated. And I guess I'm gonna sign out. Sam, you wanna say bye to them real quick?
Bye.
She just got a haircut.
Yeah.
But don't worry about my place. My place is a little messy. It's the weekend, Sunday. I gotta clean. But I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.
Priceless, girl, your love, priceless. My life is priceless. Before I leave you lifeless. Priceless, girl, your love, priceless. My life is priceless. Before I